How many ways do you know how to say hello? Look at these friends greet each other. They arrive, smile, say hello, wave, kiss, and hug each other. These young people have a very expressive body language. The number of kisses differs from country to country. In France, for example, it's often 2. If you give 1 or 2 extra, don't worry. No one will tell you off. A kiss too many never did anybody any harm. Having a drink is a way of strengthening friendships. Again, body language has an important role. Look at this woman, for example. She's leaning towards the man who she seems to be attracted to. These people look like they get along well. Even if you're expected, you can still surprise your friend. Put your hands over his eyes and say, "Guess who?" The surprise is guaranteed, especially if you've got very cold hands. Now, let's see if you're a gentleman. If you stand up to welcome the woman who arrives and offer her a seat, then your good manners will be noticed. You should not sit back down until the lady's comfortable. Now that everyone has arrived, toast to your old friendship. Cheers! If someone calls you in the street, you turn around and wave your hand. It's one of your oldest friends. You are very happy to meet your old acquaintance again. It's been a very long time since you've seen each other. How wonderful to find each other after so many years. You smile and relive all the memories you have in common. In the family, greetings are usually very happy, even when the in-laws come to visit. The arrival of the grandparents is always a time for children to celebrate. They rush into Grandma and Grandpa's arms, hoping they've brought presents and candy. Grandparents often give their grandchildren nicknames. This is a sign of affection. Children are very affectionate. They say hello by giving Eskimo kisses or rubbing cheeks. Fortunately, they don't have the same social constraints as adults. They trust everybody. They are natural, spontaneous, run hand in hand, and play Ring Around the Rosie. Adults, however, are less expressive. They shake hands. A firm and vigorous gesture says hello, and a pat on the shoulder is a sign of friendship. Shaking hands for a long time means that a contract was signed, that the two people have come to an agreement, or that a practical joker has put glue on his fingers. This gesture confirms the decision and isn't solely reserved to men. It's obvious that gestures say as much as words.
What can we say about greetings? There's more than one way to greet someone. In some countries, people don't greet each other. It is very important to exchange the right number of kisses. What is guess who? A common greeting? A formal greeting? A game. Which of the following couldn't a gentleman do? Asking a woman her age, standing up when a woman arrives, holding the door open for others. Cheers is an expression used before drinking a toast, to greet somebody, to wish somebody a good trip. An old friend is a friend who is more than 50 or 60 years old, a friend who is older than yourself, somebody you have known for a long time. Which of the following is not a sign of friendliness? Giving a present, giving somebody a nickname, telling somebody off. Which of the following is not an example of body language? Shaking your fist, leaning towards someone, offering a gift. Who are most likely to receive lukewarm welcome? Grandparents, children, in-laws. To tell somebody off means to thank somebody, to criticize, to laugh at somebody. The difference between adults and children is that only children have expressive body language. Adults are more experienced at greeting others. Adults are more restrained.
Hey you, yes, you, the guy who is studying, smash that like button, turn it into blue, and you will get 10 years of good luck, no joke. And if this lesson was helpful for you, hit the subscribe button and activate the bell for notifications coming.